It's like a headset. See? It's quite funny. It doesn't feel comfortable at all. It's funny. Oh my god. Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is MamaG, and for today's video guys, we will do unboxing, okay, with the strapless bra in AliExpress. Okay, I ordered this one. Okay, we will do unboxing. So the first time I saw this one in TikTok, they are wearing a normal bra, and after they use this one, and you know, it's like their boobs is, you know, like this, and it's up. Oh my god, I was impressed. So that's why, okay, I will look this one in AliExpress, and I got this. Okay, it's inside guys, and I did not open yet, and now we will see what's inside. So it's like this. Seriously, it's like a headset. Okay. Oh my god, oh shit. Oh la la, I already broke it. Oh, so clumsy. Okay, so this is the, well, step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this one is precaution. Okay, so we will see more what's inside. Okay, have 2 pods. Okay, next silicone, another silicone, stickers, and this. Okay. So I really need this guys because I don't know what to do with this. It's quite funny, right? Okay, step 1, apply second pair of anti-slip silicone stickers to the inside of each volumizing pad. Okay. Okay. We will apply here. It's too sticky. Okay. Next. Okay. Okay. Next, we have to take out this white. Okay, this one. Take out. Okay, you have to take out the stickers. Okay, so we will try this one. And then we will put like this inside. Okay, here have a hole. Okay, so we will put like this. Okay, so it will stick. Okay. And then it's very sticky. So next, okay. Okay, I'm ready. And then here you can put this one is a nipple silicone. Okay, so we will do all. Okay, wait a minute. I will take out my normal bra. Okay, so like this. Okay, I am not wearing any bra, so now I'm excited to put this one. Okay, so we will see guys. So now I'm wearing the silicone a while ago, so now let's do this. So look at this guys. As you can see, it's quite funny. It's very uncomfortable. Oh my god. Okay, it gives you cleavage, yes. But look at this. Look at this wear. Imagine if you are going to the party and people will ask you, what is that? It's crazy. It's crazy. And it feels uncomfortable, guys. Really. I'm scared. Like, no, like I cannot move well. If it's just good, you know, if it's just comfortable, why not? It's nice. Look at this. It doesn't feel comfortable at all. It's funny. Oh my god. Wait, I will try again. Maybe it will be comfortable, we don't know. Okay guys, I'm sorry, I forgot this one. So you have to put in the wire and then, okay, I will do this. A while ago I didn't put the strap, so now I put the strap. It helps me not to fall. Before it's really moving, you know, it's like it's going out and it's crazy. Before I put in this part and now I put up. Okay, so it's here, before it's here, so I did not do good in the first time. Okay, so now I put up and it helps me to push my boobs. But the thing is, it's hurting me, guys. It's hurting me a lot and I don't feel comfortable at all. Whew. So if you guys asking me if I recommend this, oh my god, no, don't buy this one. It's hurting me. It's hurting me a lot. So I just recommend you guys to buy a new bra. Push-up bra and comfortable bra. Okay. It will not hurt you like what I'm feeling right now. It's not really good. It's not really good. And I don't like the wire now. Like, it's not obvious. Is it obvious? No. But if they will touch it, what is that? It's ridiculous. Oh my god, but I don't like it. I will not wear this anymore. Oh my god. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. This funny video. Ridiculous. Oh my god. Please don't forget to put like and subscribe to my channel for more unboxing videos. Thank you guys for watching. See you again in my next vlog. Bye. No, don't buy this.